Another area of big opportunity, sir, is tourism. Now, people have been talking about tourism, that it's gone because nobody's going to move in COVID time. So let me inform you that there are 20 million people who go out of India every year to other foreign countries. Now, this 20 million tourists most probably will not go outside. Now, this is high-end tourism, people, sir. Now, can Meghalaya take advantage even for 10% of this or even 5% of these people? Can we have a COVID-resilient tourism model? Can we have a safe tourism model? Can we make it very safe where we say we'll bring in small planes to Umroi? There is no rush in the airport. You are safe. As soon as you land in, all of you will be tested. The hotels that you live in or going to stay in are going to be very secluded and individual rooms are going to be there. And when you come in, we know exactly where you're going to go because your entire itinerary is set. So morning breakfast will be in this place, afternoon lunch will be here, evening dinner will be here. So accordingly, secure arrangements and health arrangements can be made so that the local people as well as the tourists are safe. Can we come out with a model like that? And I think we can. Now, Meghalaya is in a very great position because of God's blessing and because of the work of all our frontliners and our officers who have put in a lot of work to ensure that, and our, of course, traditional heads, our Nokmas, Rangbah, and everybody who has put in their effort to ensure that there is a model, that there has been safety from COVID. So we have that tag of being slightly safer than other locations. I think, sir, high value, low tourism model can develop and we can take advantage of this. We just need to get the right policy, package things well, and make it safe for the tourists to come in. Now, in all this aspect, I'm happy that some members mentioned about the environment. So it's really heartening, I should say, and you'd be happy to know that the Wamukra water quality went up by 52% in this last 2 months. 52% the water quality has improved. In Shirpi, 38% of the water quality has improved. Of course, I'm not saying that COVID should continue, but I think it's a good time to learn from this experience, how this situation helped the environment recover. And I think we need to learn, we need to adapt, we need to ensure that we continue this aspect. And I think some of the members mentioned about environment. I can assure you that this experience has taught us a lot, and we'll ensure that whatever we do, like I mentioned in my opening remarks, environment aspects will be very, very important.